Here is the painting from yesterday. I like the sales that's happening over here, but painting number 2 of 30. Hi everyone, and we're back with day 3 of 30 paintings in 30 days. And today we're working with purple, pink, and white. And I wanted to do a ring pour. I think that's what we're going to do. We did a flip cup, we did a strainer pour. So I think I want to do a ring pour. Ring pours are fun, right? Let's start there. Now, the interesting thing is, this was some old glitter paint that I mixed with purple. So we're going to see how this holds up. I think it'll be fine. So we're going to start with a dirty cup. I think I want the pink on top, so that's going to be the first thing I pour in the cup. So I hope that purple stays good. So let's go pink. So I think that's more than enough paint, don't you think? Okay, so here's the cup, and we're just going to pour. See how it goes. I definitely think my table is slanted because my paint always flows off to the side like that. All right, look at that cup. So now we tilt. All right, so here is our purple, pink, and white painting. Day 3 of 30 is complete. If I take you in for a close-up, you can kind of see a little bit of that purple sparklies in there. Now let's see how this dries down, because that was some old purple paint, so hopefully it maintains its color. But this is my favorite part right here. I like this area right here. Come back tomorrow to see how it dries down. Hi everyone, I am LaJoy with the Color Office. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel so that you can see all 30 paintings get done. So we're on episode 3, third painting on our road to 30 paintings in 30 days. I'm also trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so please click that subscribe button, like, and share this video. See you tomorrow.